me, it doesn't get bigger than that. What more do we want? We've got Salman Khan, and I believe that there is no other actor in India who has the ability to influence and win hearts like he does. And I think that deserves a big round of clap. Surely you can give up a bigger than what you gave me. And then you have a fantastic relationship and association with Surajji and Rajshri Films and Salman coming back after 16 years. Guys, put your hands together. 16 years. And it only gets better. Here comes a very special film on a very special day, the biggest festival, Diwali. So ladies and gentlemen, I know you're waiting to hear more. I'm going to now request Kamal Babu to please come on the stage. And a big round of applause for him, please.
Friends, a very hearty welcome to all of you on behalf of Rajshri family at this first look trailer launch of our most ambitious and prestigious movie, Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. We have a very talented production unit, and under the captaincy of Suraj, all the unit members have labored very hard and given their best. We are also grateful to Foxstar Studios for all the support and cooperation extended to us. We earnestly seek your good wishes and blessings for the movie.
Thank you very much, sir. And I would like to now invite a man so special. I'll tell you why. I have a small story I want to share.
Okay. Thank you everyone for being here. 9 years since I've directed again. And before we introduce this film, I like to call some of my technicians who are here, because over the years I've realized that directed by has no meaning. We direct it together. So can I have Ishaji, our lyricist? Maniji, our DOP, please. Nitinji, production design. Jituji, sound design. I think my editor is not here. Is he here, Sanjayji? Decades ago, Meera ji wrote a bhajan, Payo ji maine Ram Ratan Dhan Payo. And in that poem, such a beautiful couplet is there which says that ये जो धन है, उसको जितना खर्च करो, या चोर जितना भी लूटे, ये बढ़ता ही जाता है. So that is what really inspired all of us to make this film. That this dhan of unconditional love, which we all deserve to give and to get, that is humanity. That is what we are born for. And I have to thank Irshad ji for that couplet which he wrote, that sukh dukh jhoote, dhan bhi jhoota, jhooti moh maya, and sacha man ka wo kona, jahan prem ratan dhan paya. So thank you everyone. Thank you Ishaji. Thank you Jitu ji. Thank you Mani ji. Thank you. And now to call upon the one who is our dhan, and dhan in such abundance that not only us, to the world he has shared and he has won. The one I met 27 years ago, and we were, I think, just 20 when we started. And we made our mistakes together. We made our fun together. We did everything together. And even now, when I'm lining up a shot, he knows what is going to be taken. When he's giving a shot, I know what he's going to do. And he's everything to me and Mr. Salman Khan.
would you like to say something, sir?
Said everything.
He has. All right, so
You can't beat this.
No, when I went to narrate this subject to Salman Bhai, very hesitantly I told him, Salman, मैं ये title रख रहा हूँ प्रेम रतन धन पायो. So nice close up of silence. And he said, सूरज कोई और डायरेक्टर होता बाहर फेंकवा देता. But you, this name. So that is what he is to all of us. अब बोल दो.
He, 27 years ago we met. I did my share of mistakes. He did not do any. And we did not do everything together. He's, from the day we met each other, it's just a bond. And I've worked with a lot of directors, I've worked with a lot of people. But the love and the fondness and the respect that I have for Suraj, I don't think I have for anyone. And today I think that there have been lots of directors, lots of them in our film industry. I am fortunate, बोलते हैं कि इसके साथ काम कर लेना चाहिए था, उसके साथ काम कर लेना चाहिए था. People living, people no more. I'm happy that I worked with one person, and that is Suraj Barjatya. There is, as a director, as a human being, there is nobody better in this world than Suraj Babu. हम लोग यहाँ पे चश्मा लगा लेंगे, वो बेल्ट का स्टेप कर लेंगे, छोटी छोटी चीजें स्टाइल में आ जाएंगी, हेयर स्टाइल आ जाएगा. This man, when you leave the theater, he makes you a better man when you leave the theater. Not only better, much better. And that hangover lasts for the longest time. When this man directs a movie, bhai, that's license hai uske liye. When Suraj Babu directs a movie, there's so much of niceness, there's so much of purity. Because he has seen that life. When he comes to action, when he comes to the negative side of writing dialogues, he's at sea because he's not seen that side at all. So when you see his movies, he brings back our culture, our Hindustani sabhyata that we keep on losing. He keeps on, drawing us back to that. He keeps on drawing us back to our morals, to our roots. I think there is no director, no human being better than Suraj Barjatya.
that was wonderful, sir. Actually, now let's have a look at the trailer. If you could just have a seat, it would be nice. But a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Click Salman sir.